You collect Jordans or anything?
Yeah.
Oh, do you?
Oh man, I got
100 pairs supposed to be here. I'm gonna have a sale next Saturday.
Really? What's going on, YouTube? Scott finished running. Ran about 2.7 miles today. Feeling good, feeling great. Ran a little farther. I'm stepping it up every time. Like I said, I don't want to run too much between 2 and 4 miles because I'm fasting and stuff like that. Somebody asked me to tell them a little bit about fasting. Fasting's easy. I mean, I do intermittent fasting. Basically, I fast 16 hours a day. So I stop eating at 6, don't eat again until 10. I got an 8-hour window to eat. That's it. During my 8-hour window, I try to eat healthy, but I pretty much eat what I'm used to eating. I'm just giving my body a chance to digest and things like that. So as long as you're not killing yourself. What up, bro? So yeah, I mean, you can start out at 12 hours a day, 14, 16. Hell, I done went all the way to 24 hours. So right now I'm just doing a 16-hour a day. It's not too bad. Your last meal's at 6, don't eat again until 10. A lot of times I don't eat till 12. Like right now it's almost 10 o'clock and I'm not hungry, so I might push it to 12. So the more you do it, the better it is. And causes that weight, gives your body a chance to digest your food and burn its own fat off. And you sleeping most of it. So if you can sleep most of your fast, because I work night shift sometimes, so I have to do it during the day. So it's kind of harder for me. Anyway, that's about it. I'm not gonna talk too much about it. Today though, man, I ordered some stuff off Highbid. And I gotta go pick it up. Then I'm waiting for the lady to email me back, because usually when I order, you can just go pick it up between the time, but they want us to have appointments and stuff like that. It's kind of messing up my whole flow, because I'm ready to go right now. But in the meantime, what I think I might do is get some stuff to take to the post office. Not too much. And but we're not gonna go over that today. And what else I got to do? Today's dollar day over at the Benz. I might swing through there. Wasn't really too much over there though. And I might stop at the Goodwill that I haven't been to here in the city. So with all that being said, let me get back in here. I'm probably gonna go just like this. I ain't gonna freshen up, and let's see what today has in store for it. All right, let's go. All right, your boy's in the car, about to go pick up this product that I got off Highbid, Highbid.com, that is. For me, I buy a lot of stuff off Highbid, but I usually do local stuff. I don't usually get stuff shipped. We have a lot of local auctions in Louisville, Kentucky that operate off Highbid. So usually when they come up, I bid, and if I win some, it's local, I can just go pick it up and be done with it. I think that's the best way to do it. You know what I'm saying? I mean, you can't usually, only thing about that is, you know, you can't really see pictures and stuff like that too much. You don't know exactly what you get until you get it, but you have an idea. But anyway, with all that being said, I want to touch on something for a minute. And the only reason why I'm touching on it right now is because I had a couple of resellers reach out. You know, maybe like 5 or 6 of them. It's crazy. You know, wanting to know if I was okay. You know, some of them said that I'm the only black reseller that they follow, that they know of, because it's only a handful of us out there, which is okay. You know, everybody does what they do. Ain't no problem. But they told me, you know, want to know if everything's good. And the reason why they asking is because I'm, for those of y'all who don't know, from Louisville, Kentucky, you should know, because I've mentioned that I'm from Louisville. I always represent all the time. Yes, sir. And we have a lot of stuff going on right now. Of course, with the whole George Floyd situation, we here have a similar situation. This young lady by the name of Breonna Taylor got killed here maybe a couple of weeks before the whole George Floyd thing, and it started to pick up steam after that. But anyway, just to kind of give you a brief of what happened with her, police, they had a warrant to arrest the guy, but it turns to find out that the guy that they had a warrant to arrest, they had already obtained that morning, but they didn't dot the I's and cross the T's. They didn't communicate. So these people was going to get a guy that they already had in the system. It's crazy. But anyway, they go and try to find this guy, and they had a no-knock warrant. A no-knock warrant is when you can just bust the door down without any warrant, just go in there and say what's up. Instead of announcing knock, 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 police, you can just go straight in the house. But anyway, they went in the wrong house. They went 2 doors down from where this man supposedly lived and ran into another house. All right. Supposedly they said that the guy received mail at this house too, but he didn't actually live at the house. He lived 2 doors down. Anyway, they run in his house with a no-knock warrant at night, and the boyfriend pulls out a gun because these police was plain clothes. He thought they was getting robbed. He pulls out his gun, which he had a concealed carry for, and police start shooting and kill this woman. They shot her 8 times. And she was an EMT worker herself. She works for, you know, on the ambulance. And she was a nice young lady. I mean, you know, it's just, she didn't know what was going on. It was late at night, woke up dead. So the guy shot back too, and he shot one of the police in the leg, but he was later released, you know, as a self-defense because, you know, the police was plain clothed and they didn't knock it and announced herself. Anyway, I'm not gonna get too much into it. Blah, 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 blah. This stuff happens. And then where we at now, man? I mean, we got a lot of people protesting. It's starting off peaceful. Of course, it's turning into riots. A lot of stores is messed up. I mean, everything downtown in the West End, which is the poor part of I grew up in the West End as well. But anyway, all the stores, there's no stores down there. Houses, cars, you know, police stations. I mean, somebody got shot yesterday. Police shot somebody again and killed them. I mean, it's bad, you know. So you know, how people reached out, just want to know if I was okay, and I am okay. Kids and families okay. I appreciate y'all for reaching out. You know, a lot of them want to know if I'm gonna come on the show and talk about it, and I might. So I might go live and talk about it one day. Not super talk about it, but just kind of touch on it. And just want to let you know, guys, know that I'm alright. You know, it has affected us. I got some friends that's been affected about it, me as well. Pastor, he got arrested yesterday. One of my good friends, he's a pastor. He got arrested. So it's just crazy, man. It's just crazy. And just wanted to let y'all know that I am okay. And I'm gonna end it right there. All right. So yeah, man, I'm about to roll in here and get this stuff, get back home, show you guys what I got. Hopefully, it turns out great. All right, let's go. How you doing?
Got to pick up?
Yes, sir.
All right.
Trying to see exactly what.
What's your name?
It's David Weaver.
Weaver. Name one thing that you got. Find
I got that KitchenAid mixer.
Okay, it's all back here.
I'll go in my table.
All right.
Lock my doors.
I will.
Good, great deal on that.
Yeah, my wife. She been looking for one for a while, and I seen that, and I was like, oh wow.
Okay, you got the mixer, and
It came with.
I'll be right here together. I'll hand that here to you.
All right, it's the mixer.
Coffee maker.
Yeah, coffee maker. Tilex model airplane. A headset. Mirror trays and perfume. And some stadium cushions, I believe.
Okay.
Something like that.
She put the. You set my alarm off. You know that's not a model though, right?
Yeah, it's like a
It's a headset.
It's the headset by itself, right?
For somebody, yeah, it's brand new in a box.
Okay,
That's
yeah,
for
yeah.
communications. I told her, I said, you listed that wrong, but I said that.
Well, I figured.
It's a good deal for him.
I figured because I like the other headsets, and I knew that, and I was like, well, I figured the Tilex doesn't make that. I mean, I know what they made, so this is all good.
Need to turn the alarm off out here.
All right.
Let you figure it out.
I got a bag. I got like a little. Okay, I think this one here. This might be it though. This might be it. I don't know. It's okay. My wife did this stuff. She might.
What she might have done is seen it like that.
Yeah,
you know,
seen the box and that at the same time. It could have been that.
If not, just let me know, okay?
That's no problem. That's my wife. I'll take this out and then I'll come back.
You want to carry this, Joe? Yeah.
Yeah, I'll come back. You can sit it right in there. I appreciate it.
No problem, man.
Got some weight on it too, don't it? Got a little weight on it.
Yeah, it's a little weight.
Yeah. I just had those things back. Ah, man.
Oh, man. Thank God this mess is over with.
You and me both, man. I know it's kind of hemming y'all up a little bit with all
I'm
this.
not saying that 6 foot distance is no hard.
Oh, really?
That's the parts for the mixer.
Oh, okay. Appreciate it.
You pay check or cash?
Cash. I got cash. You can sit here actually. Let's see if I got a 5. There we go. Count that again.
Do you collect Jordans or anything?
Yeah.
Oh, do you?
Oh man, I got
100 pairs supposed to be here. I'm gonna have a sale next Saturday.
Really?
And I'm gonna have it out here in the parking lot. I usually have an auction here every other Saturday, but I can't do it because
yes, I was wondering
what's been going on.
Yeah.
So we've been selling it online, and then I got another one coming up online too, probably next week.
Okay.
But Saturday we're gonna have a regular auction here.
Okay.
So it'll be starting at
You're gonna go one by one on
5 o'clock, and I'll have everything lined up out there, and we just go down there.
Ah.
I'm supposed to have 100 pair of Nikes coming, and I think that's all he's got in that.
Okay.
Maybe a few clothes, but
Okay.
there's my card there, and you can go to our website here.
Okay.
And it'll tell you.
It kind of show you some of the stuff you got going on?
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah, definitely, man. I got about maybe 150 pair at home. Like, I've been
Okay.
collecting them since 2001, so.
Yeah.
Yeah, definitely. I might come out for that.
I got one pair over here somewhere.
Oh, really? So I'd definitely be out for that. So you trying to do one online every weekend or every so often?
Every couple of weeks.
Every couple weeks? Okay.
Yeah. So we had this one that went off, so we'll probably have another one start next week.
Okay, next week. Okay.
But it'll start and then it'll end, so just like it did then.
Okay. Okay. I appreciate it. I'll definitely be tuned in, man. I definitely appreciate it, man.
Now watch online too, because the guy that's bringing me the shoes. I may put some of them online.
Okay.
Too, so
Okay, you may have some of them on
it'll
there.
give you a chance both ways.
Right, right. I appreciate it, man.
Okay.
You take it easy.
And I'll look up, see if I can find that other head.
It's probably no telling. It was only like $5 anyway. It's not too bad. It's not a big deal.
I'm sure that's probably what you seen was that.
That box, and then because the headset looks just like it was by itself with the box. Yeah, that's exactly what it was. I appreciate it, man. Y'all have a good one.
Thank you.
Hopefully, when all this mess stops, you can get back up and go
I hope so.
Because it's affecting. You know, we got all kinds of stuff going on right now. This is ridiculous.
Crazy,
All right, y'all take it easy.
All right, thanks, guys. You have to get my alarm clock.
All right, back at home. It's kind of late. Out with my wife and her co-workers. Was actually over one of their friends. Went swimming. Took the kids. They had a good time. They have a lot of land, so we did a bunch of stuff. They got a pond and all that. Just kind of kicked it, laid out, chilled out. Had a lot of listening to do because I didn't got a lot of things over the past couple of days. But sometimes it's just good to just put that stuff to the side and have fun. Shut up with your fam. You understand what I'm saying? But I'm back at home and just kind of wanted to finish this video out, show you what I got. Turns out that I'm gonna be in the negative on this purchase because wifey then stole something from me. All right, she wanted to keep something, which my whole point of actually going and to get the stuff was for this thing that I'm about to show you. And I got this other stuff just because I knew I was going down there. This other stuff wouldn't have been bought if it wasn't for that. But I might be able to make my money back. We'll see. Let me show you what's going on here. Okay, so first of all, let me just show you what's going on. First, man, I got these actually headphones. They police pallet headphones. I'll just show you here because I don't feel like getting them out of the box. They look just like that right there. And it turns out, man, these are pre-owned. These things go pre-owned for almost about $100, man. This is an expensive pair. Brand new, these things is like $245. If you can find anything that a pallet uses, headphones, things like that, buy it because the stuff goes for pretty good money. Tilex is a great brand. $100 for these. I should be able to get. That's what I'm listing for, and I'm gonna stick to it because it's not that many listed. It's like 4 or 5 listed. A couple brand new, a couple pre-owned. I'm gonna stick to that. I also got these, some more pallet headphones and pre-owned. I'm gonna put the comps on the screen. I believe I seen one for like 50, 40. It was all over the place. 40, 50, 60, $70. Just depends on the condition. And these look pretty good. They do have some initials right there, LK, which I should be able to get off. But other than that, man, okay. I'll probably list them to you right here. I'll probably list them for $40. Now, if I could sell both of these and get $140, I make my money back. I spent a total of $120 on this lot, and I actually spent $5 for these. No, $7.50 for these, $5 for these. All right. Now this right here I bought on an accident. I'm gonna tell you why. It's a used coffee maker, which I should be able to make some money at. I think what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna pour it out. I'm gonna sell the tops, because when I looked it up, they was going for not that much money, but I seen a lot of people porting out like just the top, just filters. I was making some good money. So I might, when it's all said and done, if I put it out right, I can probably get about $40, probably more than that. I bought this on accident because I thought I was bidding on these, and this is right below it. And I was trying to do it too quick because the time was running out. And I ended up bidding on these and winning. Bid on these two and won these, but I had to take this as well. It's only $5 because didn't nobody bid on it. I was the only bid. Got a used coffee maker. Bruh. Yeah, that's what I need to say. Got these Redbirds cushions. I only got this because I know somebody in my family is a Redbirds fan. Got 2 of them. So these are not going to be sold. I'm giving this to somebody, and only $5 for both of them. Pretty neat. Now, I hope y'all can see this because the light's bad in here in my kitchen. I got a couple lights out. Now I'm about to show you the whole reason why I came. And if you follow me on Instagram, you already seen this. I asked a question because I've seen these but never seen this model or color before, and I wanted to get some input. Now, how can I get me light over here? I'll just put it out. Here we go. It's a chrome. I don't know what's wrong with the light today. Oh, let me turn this light on. Hopefully you can see it a little bit better. It's a chrome KitchenAid mixer. I mean, this thing is chrome, heavy. Feel like some rims I used to have back in the day. Super heavy. Comes with stainless steel bowls, both bowls. All this chrome KitchenAid mixer. And the more I look it up, I see that people get these custom like this. They usually don't come out with this color. I didn't come out with this exact model as far as color is concerned. And yeah, man, this thing looks great. Loving how it looks. I mean, it's heavy duty. I know how KitchenAid mixers are. Wife is loving it. Works great. But guess what, man? Your boy can't sell it because my wife wants it.
Oh, come on, man.
Now, you know, she didn't, I mean, actually, let me take that back. She wants it. She didn't take it from me. I was like, well, do you want it? You know, I mean, we got chrome stuff in the kitchen. You love chrome. She's like, oh, I can have it. You know, she wouldn't mind me selling it. And I probably can get like probably a $400 bone piece for it. Maybe $350 for brand new. I know they was going for like $6. Because it's a custom color, you have to get this actually customized chrome, and it's actually chrome. You understand? So, yeah, man. And I spent like, I wanted to bid on this. It was $80. I paid up for it. Well, not really paid up for it, but paid the extra money because I know I could get money out of it. You understand what I'm saying? So, yeah, if I'm lucky, I probably can make my money back. But not lucky, I know I really can. I know these Tilexes will go for about almost $100 piece, especially with the box. The ones I seen didn't have the box. And these right here maybe go for like a 40 bone. So I'll make my money back, import that out, and actually have a nice KitchenAid mixer from my wife. All right, so with all that being said, I'm gonna get out of here, man. I'm tired, as you can tell. I've been ripping and running out in the sun all day. Oh my God, the light is shining on me. Y'all be good. Like, comment, subscribe. Peace.